Hello teammates, I'll be creating a video. This is a video on how to present a how to present Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So this is just for reference. You need not to present exactly as how I do it in this video. So if ever you forgot things, if ever you forgot some details, so you could play this back. Okay? So we say Kaiser Ultimate Builder is the best jump start to build our financial foundation. Why? Because this contains insurance, investment, and most importantly, this is the only long-term healthcare that we have in the Philippines. So what I'll be discussing is K100. So this will cost you around 5,800 a month, or if you have it annual, 58,800 plus. So there are lower plans as well as there are higher plans. So this is how the policy works. So you just have to pay 7 years, and after the seventh year, no cash out. But then, during the 7 year paying period, ito na kaagad yung mga benefits mo. Number one, you have annual physical exam. So you have ECG, blood tests, x-ray, etc. You have dental benefits, oral prophylaxis, extraction, fillings, dental checkups, dental consultations, etc. Then 3 and 4, waiver of installment due to death, waiver of installment due to disability. So this addresses the first risk that we mentioned. What if I die too soon or what if I get disabled? So we mentioned earlier na yung plan na to is 7 years to pay. So benefits 3 and 4 would mean, what if something happens to the policyholder during the 7 year or during the paying period? So say for example, on the second year, so ilan pang taon yung hindi bayad? 5 or 6 years. So yung benefits of waiver of installment due to death or disability, yung 5 taon hindi niya pabayad, hindi na kailangang bayaran ng beneficiary. But then all the benefits will be transferred to his or her beneficiary, treated as if binayaran niya ng buo itong 7 years. So reasons could be death and or disability. So disability, it should be total disability. So the policyholder should don't have the capacity to earn income. Okay, on top of the waiver of installment due to death or disability, on top of that, there is also life insurance for the next 20 years. Life insurance coverage is 450,000 if the cause of death is natural. Sabihin natin, namatay due to sickness. But what if the cause of death is accident? So instead of 450,000, life insurance coverage would be 900,000. So again, to address the first risk, what if we die too soon? What if we get disabled? We have waiver of installment due to death or disability during the paying period. And on top of that, we have life insurance of 450,000 or 900,000. But what if nothing happens? So that would lead us to the second risk. What if we live too long, which mas gusto natin compared to die too soon? So after the seventh year, the policyholder, wala na siyang iintindihin. Okay, his money will start to gain interest. So the interest will be 10% based on the plan. So this is K100. So 10% of 100,000 giving us 10,000. So 10,000 for the next 13 years. So if we would compute it, it should be only 130,000. But then why do we have 269,750 here? So say for example, hindi mo nagagamit yung 10,000 ni interest. What will happen is, automatic maro-roll over siya and the interest gains interest. So we have compounding interest. So instead of 130,000, we get more than double, giving us 269,750. On top of this, we also have long-term care benefit equivalent to your plan, so 100,000, 100,000. And on top of that, we also have long-term care bonus, 350,000. Okay, saan to nang gagaling? During the 7-year paying period, meron tayong annual benefit limit na 60,000. So what if you're hospitalized and the bill is 50,000? So wala ka ng shell out. Pero what if hindi mo siya nagamit during the 7-year paying period? So what will happen is 85% of what you invested here would be given back to you. So 85% of the contract price, so this is the contract price, 411,750, 85% of that will be given back to you. So may money back na nangyayari. And next, we have dividend. So dividend is something which is discretion of the company, but the range is from 3% to 13%. So even if the market is negative, the lowest interest is 3%. Even if the market is outstanding, maximum is 13%. So this is computed based on median. So we have almost 500,000, 446,419. So the total that we will get during maturity is 1,166,169. So from this point on, the 10% would be based on this. So that would mean a year after maturity, we have an interest of 116,616.9. So if hindi mo magalaw yung interest na yon, then again, it would be automatically rolled over, then the interest will gain interest. So say for example, umabot ka na ng 2 million and you were hospitalized. The bill is 200,000. So the computation would be 2 million minus 200,000 is equal to 1.8 million. So the 10% would be based on the remaining balance, which is 1.8 million. After maturity, this plan is good as cash. Basta ang usapan lang, whatever is left would be subjected to the 10% interest. Okay, after the 7th year, the good thing here is, after the 7th year, nagiging ganito na yung card nyo. So, nagiging Visa card na siya, like this one. So this gives us the convenience na if ma-admit ka, you need not to pay outright yung deposit na tinatawag. So this would serve as our guarantee deposit. Then another advantage of having a healthcare card all throughout our lifetime is on the average 30% cheaper compared when we pay cash. Okay, as a review, why do we recommend Kaiser as a good jump start? So we say there are two risks. So the first risk is what if we die too soon? So the solution to that in financial planning is insurance. Exactly, in Kaiser, we have life insurance, so two dimensions. So we have waiver of installment due to death or disability during the paying period. And you also have life insurance coverage of 450,000 for the next 20 years or 900,000 if the cause of death is accident. So what if nothing happens? We say there should be transition from insurance going to investment. And exactly after the 7th year, there is a transition happening. So our money after the 7th year starts to gain interest. Health is something we have for life. So all throughout, we have healthcare, short term, and much more importantly, long term. Happy selling!